Hello everyone, I am Melody B. Libanto from BID 1A. So before we dive into our topic, let's have a quick game. It's called Complete the Word. I'll give you clues and their meanings, and you'll need to guess the word related to art. You only have 5 seconds to answer each word. Ready? Let's go! Number 1. This is something artists use to plan for bigger works or as a complete artwork. It's also the basic form of arts. What's the word? If your answer is drawing, then you are correct. Let's move on to the next one. This is how drawing can show feelings or personal experiences. What's the word? If your answer is emotional expressions, then you are correct. Let's go to the next word. Architects and designers use this to plan and organize ideas. What's the word? If your answer is designing, then you are correct. Keep going. Drawing can help you relax and focus on small details. What's the word? If your answer is meditative drawing, then you are correct. Great job, everyone! So now that we've warmed up, let's jump into our main topic. Drawing is not just an art form. It is a way to express emotions, plan creative projects, and even meditate. Today, we'll explore how drawing serves as both as preparations for larger works and as a powerful tool for self-expressions and designs. The purpose of drawing. So first, we have artistic creation. Artists use drawing as both as preparatory step for larger works like paintings or sculptures and as a finished artwork in itself. Example: famous artist Leonardo da Vinci used sketches and drawing as preparatory work for his paintings and sculptures. His detailed study of anatomy and nature, like the Vitruvian one, were used to understand proportions before creating larger artworks. Even today, many artists use drawing as a foundation for their paintings or sculpture. So pasabot dani is before sila maghimo og final nga artwork, mag-sketch usa sila aron ma-check kung pantay ug maayo ang mga proportion. Ang sketching mura ra og scratch, usa lang nakapaagi sa pagplano ug pag-test sa mga idea. Kung mag-painting sila, ang mga initial sketches makatabang aron malikayan ang mga problems sa final nga artwork. Secondly, we have emotional expression. It means drawing can express complex emotions, thoughts, or personal experiences. Example: Pablo Picasso's Guernica is an example of how drawing and art can express emotions and the impact of war. The distorted figures and chaotic scene in the painting convey pain, suffering, and the horrors of war. Artists often use drawings to communicate complex feelings that words cannot express, like personal struggles or political messages. It means kung ang usa ka tawo like broken-hearted o nasakitan, ang iyang drawing is kasagaran mag-reflect sa iyang gibati. Pananglitan, mag-drawing siya og broken-hearted aron ipakita ang kasakit nga iyang na-experience. Ang drawing usa ka way para ma-express ang ilang tagbati, para ma-express ang emotions. So lastly, we have design and planning. Architects, engineers, and designers use drawing as a tool to plan, visualize, and design new creations. Example: architects like Frank Lloyd Wright use detailed drawing and blueprints to plan their buildings before constructions. His iconic folding water house was meticulously planned, with sketches to fit the natural landscape. Similarly, engineers use drawings to design machinery like cars, engines, ensuring that every part fits together correctly before building. So sama sa usa ka architect nga magplano sa layout sa usa ka balay. Mag-drawing sila ng mga plano kung asa ibutang ang mga kwarto, kusina ug uban pa. Pinaagi sa drawing, makita nila ang angay nga spacing or arrangement sa mga parte sa balay aron siguraduhon nga functional ug comfortable ang space. Drawing can also be a meditative process. As you observe and draw your subject, you become more attuned to its details, learning to see it in new ways. Many people find drawing as a meditative activity. For instance, adult coloring books became popular because they help people relax and focus on intricate patterns. Similarly, the Japanese art of kintsugi, where pottery is repaired with gold, can also be a meditative process that involves careful attention to detail and mindfulness. Ang drawing is mahimong usa ka paagi sa pag-release sa stress. Pinagi sa pag-drawing, ang imong nahon na mag-focus sa mga imahe. So, mao to makalimot ka sa mga problem. So, ang drawing is makatabang jud sa pag-relax sa imong mind. Mao nga kini usa ka epektibo pinaagi sa pag-calm sa imong kagalingon. And that's all for today, folks. I hope you learned something new about the purpose of drawing and how it impacts creativity, emotions, designs, and even our stress levels. Remember, drawing isn't just about art. It's a way to express yourself, plan for the future, and find peace in the present. Thank you for watching and stay creative. Until next time, everyone, and God bless.